What's going on, guys? It's Jay and welcome back. As all you guys know, I installed my new LED bulbs in my headlights. They're way brighter, they're way cleaner looking, but the way they're in there, my headlights, like, they aim at the ground, like they don't aim up and out. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like now when I drive, bro, like at nighttime, like I'm terrified of deers, bro. Like I'm so scared one's gonna jump out. And the way the headlights are, they're not really aiming into the grass, like on the shoulder. So it's mainly like aiming into the road in front of me. Now when I turn my brights on, it aims a little bit into the grass and stuff, but not like how it should. I've seen LEDs and they light up the grass and trees and everything on the side of the road. So tonight I'm going to be adjusting my bulbs. This is something I didn't even know you could do. And so yeah, we're going to be readjusting my bulbs, aiming them different. As you can see, I'm going to show you in a second on the wall behind me, my bulbs are like, they're like way off. So I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's so simple. It's simple how to do it. I didn't even know it was this easy, but I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then we're gonna test it out and see if we made any changes. So this is just the standard beam when I'm driving, and as you can see, it's like, it's really low on this right side right here. It really should be about like this all the way across. But you see how it dips right there? There's a dip, and then it goes across, and it dips down even further. And that's not normal. All right, guys, so to adjust your low beams, which is gonna be this, I never knew this, man, but you get a Phillips head. Let me get it to focus. There's a little gear right here, and it has a cutout just for your screws, and you can see, watch, when I turn it, you can see that turn. So right goes up, left goes down. And look, you can literally look on the fence. Let me get it to focus, and you can literally see the light actually moving as I turn it. So I pretty much got it turned to where I want it. Keep in mind, I'm on a hill, so my car is really at an angle, so it's gonna shine up a little higher than what it normally should, but that's about normal. So I've already adjusted both sides, really. This side's the same thing. Right here, you can see the gear. The next part's gonna be a little different. So now, these are my high beams, and if you can see, we need to take these out, readjust them to where they sit in there like this instead of like that. So if they get them like this, we'll get a lot better, because I'll show you on the high beams. My high beams are absolute garbage. Like, look at this. So that's a terrible beam pattern, guys. So I had to come to my dad's so I could get some better tools and some better lights, but the high beams are a little different. They have a little tiny hole, and I had to find, I don't even know what this is, bro, but it worked. You put it in there and just loosen it. You ain't gotta take the screw out, just loosen it a little bit, and this whole piece will twist. I'll show you on the next one, but this whole piece will twist, and now I got it adjusted, so when I put it in, it's gonna go like that, and when I turn it to lock it in, it's gonna sit in there at that angle, like I said it needs to sit at. So let's try it out and see if I got it right on the first try. Some beginner's luck out here. Let's see. Got it perfect on the first try. Remember how before you couldn't see those chips because it was laying flat? Now we got it right. And we got it perfect on the first try. That's crazy. All right, guys, so it's been like 2 weeks. I've been driving around with the new setup. I've got a couple questions about people asking how does the LED bulbs work with a halogen housing. On my WRX, I have projectors for my low beam. So these headlights that you're seeing now, it is a projector housing. Now, when I turn on my high beams, that is a halogen setup. So as you can see, that is extremely bright. So for those of you, if you have halogen housings, I don't recommend using LEDs because as you can see, the light is just extremely bright. It works. When you're driving down the road, it shines way down the road. It works, but it is so bright to the point where driving like that with a low beam setup would probably blind everybody on the road. I don't even know if any of the WRXs come with a halogen housing. I think they all have projector low beams. So realistically, all of you guys can do this. But even if you have the stock bulbs, it will make a whole difference if you aim them up a little bit. This setup for me is perfect. I can see, because honestly guys, after hitting that deer, man, I am terrified of driving on like dark roads, and I'm 100% happy. I'll leave the link down below to the Instagram where you can order you a set of your own or whatever you feel like doing. He has interior lights, he has reverse LED bulbs, he has everything. So if you're definitely interested in doing some LED work to your vehicle, to your Subaru, to your Hyundai, to your whatever, I'm definitely going to be ordering more products from him soon. I'm definitely going to get into the tuning. I'm definitely going to be doing some exciting things with this car. I said this has been one of my dream cars for a long time. I'm still enjoying the car how it is for what it is. I'm going to definitely take my time with this one, do it right. I'm not going to the muffler shops and start hacking off pieces like the Sonata. I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see what I have planned. It's really inspiring to me when people ask me and compliment, and they see me riding around and stuff. They like my pictures, and it's always a good feeling to know that people are really enjoying the content. And we have a lot coming, guys, so please stay tuned. Let your friends know this is a new build. I definitely need all you guys' support, because sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it's the car game, it does get a little intimidating. As long as I have some people standing behind me that enjoy what I'm doing, then it makes it that much better that what I'm doing is also helping other people and other people are enjoying it. That being said, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later.